Hi my friends, how are you guys doing today? So I made this fufu from bulgur wheat. Yeah, I like to experiment with food. If you want to know how I made this, then you keep watching. So what I did is I got out my bulgur wheat. I just brought out a cup, and bulgur wheat is a whole grain made from cracked wheat. Yeah, that's how it looks. So this is the brown one. It also has a white one. Either one works, is fine, but I chose to use the brown bulgur wheat. And I went ahead to put it into my blender and I blended it dry. So this is what it looks like after blending it dry. Yeah? So technically I made a bulgur wheat flour. Okay, so I like to make the flour myself so that I'm sure I am eating 100% of what I blended, not a kind of a mixture. You get what I mean? Yeah, that's just me having some trust issues. So I now went ahead to put it in the pot. So I boiled hot water and put the blended bulgur wheat in the pot, and I started turning. So I kind of made a mixture, a paste of it, and then I started heating it. Okay, so while I'm heating it, I'm turning. So why the turning is like this, because I'm filming with one hand and I'm turning with one hand, but never mind, I finished up behind the camera. Then I covered it and allowed it to cook a little bit. So I came back to it. It was looking a bit dry, so this bulgur wheat is very, very rich in fiber, which helps to prevent heart disease. And this is similar to all kinds of food that are rich in fiber. They help, your cardiovascular health. They help to keep the heart very, very healthy. So when I looked at it, it was a bit dry, so I added water. So feel free to, get the consistency that you want. Whether you want it a little bit softer or harder is up to you. You have the privilege, to adjust to the consistency. So I went ahead, I added some water and then loosened it up a little bit, and it was better. I liked it this way. So I kept turning while it's still on heat, on medium heat, low to medium heat level. Okay, so when I was kind of happy with the consistency, I covered it again to heat up a little bit to make sure the bulgur wheat is cooked. And after that, voila, I got my fufu. Look at it. I got my bulgur wheat fufu. Very rich fufu. If you guys know me, I love my fufu. But the only way I try to control, is to make sure the fufu I'm eating is good. So bulgur wheat helps to manage blood sugar also. So for those of you who have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, you know what I mean, and you want to you know what I mean. So you want to use your nutrition to control it, bulgur wheat instead of pure cassava fufu. That's it, and that's the output. Very good fufu. And I brought out my ogbono soup, and I went ahead to enjoy. It was yummy. Look at it. Like, eat your fufu without guilt, without feeling guilty that you were cheating, you know what I mean? Without feeling guilty that you're stuffing your system with garbage, you get what I mean? So I was happy that I'm feeding my system with fiber-rich food. We know fiber-rich food is good for your gut health. It helps with with bowel movement and all that. Also, it has other nutrients. Okay, so you can search it up and enjoy and feed yourself with that knowledge. So I went ahead and I was eating. I didn't add any thickener, nothing. It was just plain bulgur with fufu. If you enjoy this, leave me a comment, like and share. You never can tell who you'll be helping. And subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Okay, click that red subscribe button, and I want to hear from you. What meal do you want me to prepare? I'm here to help. If I can, I will do. If I can't, I'll go seek for knowledge. So until another video, bye bye.